Okay, just gonna go ahead and show you guys the the outside space. We had a pool, gym, courtyard where you can barbecue and have friends over. Just want to show you the outside really quick. Looks really nice, really cozy. And now I will show you guys the inside of the house. Okay, so we go up the stairs, and then right away on the left side, boom, my apartment was right here. Now, I moved here about a year ago, and it's been great up until, you know, as you guys know, boom, I'm pregnant, so I had to find a new place. So when you walk in, immediately you're greeted with mirrors. One of the things I really loved about this place, because I needed mirrors, you know. You turn to the right, we have our kitchen. We have lots and lots and lots of counter space, which I really loved. On this side as well. And then we have brand new stainless steel appliances, right? We have a dishwasher that I never used, honestly. I don't even know how to use a dishwasher. I just wash everything by hand. So then you go in here. This is the dining room. I'm gonna go ahead and take a step back so you can get a sense of the space. Really nice fixtures, ceiling fan, everything was great. And then we have like a mini, you know, like bar table almost. Put things up here, fruit, keys, and all that stuff. And then we have the living room. As you guys can clearly see, heavy traffic areas. When I come in, walk this way, boom, sit on the couch, watch TV, which is right there. You guys should be really familiar with this space because I have done another video where I was assembling my fitness pole right here in the living room. As you guys can see, my wall, my ceiling, nothing has been damaged. I mean, the popcorn might be pressed a little bit. You can't see it from here, but if you go this way, you can see the little circle. That's where I have my pole. But anyway, this is the living room. Really nice space, right? I also had a balcony, which is really nice. Not the best view, but come on now, we're in LA. But it was still nice. I can catch the sunset here. I could have dinner on the patio or do my studies here or anything like that. So that was really good. Then you walk through the hallway. Boom, another mirror. Another mirror. Hey, don't mind me. I'm fugly right now because I've been cleaning all day. We have our bathroom. Huge vanity. Love the light fixtures. This place was a great place for lighting, like if I wanted to take pictures and stuff. Medicine cabinet. Again, huge vanity, lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space as well. We have a standard bathroom, you know, full bath. Changed the shower head, but I changed it back. The water pressure is too high here, so it really felt like you were getting shot like by millions of bullets because the water pressure was just too high. So this was another closet right here. This could be like a coat closet, or you can put the vacuum, the broom, shoes, you know, whatever in here. And then this hallway leads you into the bedroom. So this is my bedroom here. I wish I can zoom out more so you can have a better sense of the space, but this place was about, I think, 980 square feet for $1,730 a month. So not too bad. That's actually pretty cheap for LA because I can find a place smaller than this that costs 2 times as much. So we had our closet here, more mirrors. Open this up. Boom. Even more closet space. And trust me, I had all of this full. What is this? Oh, it's a little baggie for my business, see? So you guys will be familiar with this as well. So my bed was over here. I have my pops over here that I use as a background whenever I did my videos that took place right here. Either it was makeup or crypto or, you know, whatever. So then I'm gonna show you guys the other side of this closet. It had shelves, really nice, very useful. So lots of closets. Like this place just had ample space, just, you know, just in general. So this place is really nice. I didn't want to leave. The landlord doesn't want me to leave, but you know, raising a family now, so I need a bigger space and everything. Don't mind that stuff over there. My car's full. I'll get it on the next one. But yeah, this was just a quick little video on my empty apartment in Los Angeles, and you know, I just thought it would be cool. You guys see where I'm staying now, so I thought it would be nice for you to see where I started. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.